The old bottle cage doesn't work with the new frame bag, so I think I'm going to need a different solution. Today I'm going to be installing a cage adapter by Active Adventure. We'll take a look at it right out of the box. As you can see, it has the Active Adventure logo on it. This is solid aluminum construction. We'll take this Allen wrench here, kind of show you how this works. And there we go. What you would do is use this clamp and put it around a seat post or a handlebar using the properly sized adapter. And then just reinsert the bolt, and that'll hold it tight on your bike. Tighten this back up here, just so this holds into place here briefly. And there we go. You would use the other small wrench to adjust the positioning. Again, this could go on a vertical seat post or horizontal handlebars, depending upon where you want your bottle cage. I'll probably have it in this configuration on the back of my seat post. And we'll just attach the cage with those other two bolts. And that's all there really is to this adapter. Let's head out to the garage and I will put it on my bike. I'm going to be using the skinnier of the two spacers here. Just slide it inside the clamp. Put the clamp around the seat post. And then just need to adjust it for height. I'm going to get this bolt in here to hold this in place briefly. There we go. That's about where I want it. Now I will get the cage with a bottle in it so that I can adjust it for height, make sure it fits correctly. Definitely going to have to set it a little bit lower here. There we go. Make sure it's well centered and get it tightened up into place. But before I screw in all the bolts, I'm going to put a little bit of thread locker blue on the bolts. Make sure they don't back out on me with any vibration. Get the main bolt here tightened up. I'll undo the cage bolts themselves from the back. Set the cage in place and tighten everything back up. Fairly simple process, quick and easy. The adapter and the cage are in place. The bottle fits in just fine. Let's take a couple close-ups. Here you can see a close-up of the cage adapter, how it attaches. Nice and firm. And there we go, there's the cage attached to the adapter itself. And as you can see here, plenty of clearance between the top of the bottle and the bottom of the seat. So that'll have to be custom adjusted for whatever particular bike you decide to put it on, if you decide to use this configuration. And you can see how it also has plenty of room with my trunk bag. So there we go, outside in a little bit of better light. You can see how everything is hooked up here. Looks good. Seems to be nice and firm. No worries. And that's it. Hopefully, if you're having a problem with fitting your bottle cage on your bike, maybe this adapter by Active Adventure will help you out. If it did, well, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to leave me a comment below, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.